This is meteorologist Todd Shea from the National Weather Service on Crosse with an early evening update concerning the ongoing winter weather. A significant winter storm is underway, with the heaviest snow so far falling from north central Iowa across southeast Minnesota and into northwest Wisconsin. 1 to 2 inch per hour snowfall rates have been observed, with some areas already seeing 5 to 7 inches just from this afternoon. As the winds pick up this evening, we are expected some blizzard conditions to develop, significant drifting that may last all the way into Friday morning, even as the storm starts to move on out and quiet down on the day on Friday. Current snowfall totals again range from about 5 to 7 inches from north central Iowa across parts of southeastern Minnesota and east of the Twin Cities. Smaller amounts in the range of 1 to 4 inches have been common from near Eau Claire, Wisconsin, parts of north central Wisconsin, down through extreme southeastern Minnesota and into Iowa. Now we're still expecting the biggest problems to be with the heavy snow from north central Iowa, across southeast Minnesota and into northwest half of Wisconsin. To the east and south of the La Crosse area, a wintry mix has been seen, and even though most of the precipitation is now changing over to snow, generally snowfall amounts will be much lighter. As the winds increase tonight, again, we do expect some significant blowing and drifting issues, especially in the open areas across southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. Our forecast snowfall totals have not changed a whole lot here over this evening. Very small snowfall totals expected to the south and east of La Crosse, maybe an inch or two. But as you go further north and west of La Crosse, we are expecting snowfall totals in that 8 to 14 inch range before it's all said and done. Now that leads us to the current warnings that are in effect, which range from blizzard warnings across southern Minnesota and central and northern Iowa to winter storm warnings that are in effect to the mainly the north half of the region from the heavy snow and the threat for some wind. But as you go south and east of La Crosse, just winter weather advisories are in effect for a mixture of precipitation and cautionary snowfalls. Our current radar shows this mass of precipitation moving through the area, with the brighter colors in the shades of yellows, oranges, and reds being the rain and even a few thunderstorms and some pockets of sleet from central Wisconsin angling down towards the Chicago area. Back to the west, where the green and blue colors persist, is the most heaviest snowfall, and you can see as this area rotates through the region, the snow will continue for several more hours from I-35 corridor, stretching from Des Moines up to the Twin Cities and extending across parts of southeastern Minnesota and into northwest Wisconsin. Our radar simulation off of our computer models also is handling this quite well, and you'll see as we go in through the overnight hours at the end of this loop how this precipitation continues to wind through the area and then eventually move on out. At the same time, though, again, we are expecting the northwest winds to be on the increase. So for the rest of tonight, again, heavy snow mainly to the west and north of the city of La Crosse, with high snowfall rates at times, and due to the snow-covered roads and the expected winds to be increasing, most travel is not advised. In fact, in some communities, towing bans are in effect. Blizzard conditions and whiteouts are expected to develop as we go through the later evening hours as the winds continue to increase in speed. And on Friday, as the storm system moves out, any lingering snow will be ending. The winds, albeit strong in the morning, will be diminishing through the day, and any closed roads may still be impassable at times due to the work that the highway department is going to have to endure to clean a lot of these drifting roads and impact